Hi, good evening. This is Ate Dol Dumondon. Only an update. You see this kind of fruit is Egypt sweet dates. Ay, ang sarap talaga. Very crunchy siya. Matigas siya pero very crunchy and sweet. So lovely. See? Bumili ako ng mahal ito pero bumili lang ako ng $20 just to try. See the seed? Wow, itry ko nga itanim sa Pilipinas. See the seeds. It's very sweet. Very sweet. There. Ang sarap niya. Yummy and crunchy. Talaga. Hello. Shout out. Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Kalingap Rob, Ate Edna Vlogs. At sa lahat ng buong team Kalingap. Shout out. Magandang gabi. This is Ate Dol Dumondon.